प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार झा, प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार झा।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, माननीय सभापति महोदय,
अशोक कुमार मित्तल,
मैं आपके माध्यम से एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय की ओर आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं। माननीय सभापति महोदय, माहौल नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं। फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं।
This is not correct. You are getting into the well. I am not going to give anything to you. None.
मैं चाहूंगा
none will be.
तमाम विद्यालयों
No, not at all.
प्रेयर में
Not at all. I am not going to encourage anybody who is getting into it.
वर्जन पढ़ाया जाए। प्रियम्बल इसलिए कि सर समता, समानता,
Nothing will go unregarded except the speaking up of Manoj Kumar.
भावों को लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए। इस भाव में अवरोधक बहुत है। आप स्वीकार करेंगे कि इस देश में सामाजिक सौहार्द, बंधुत्व और समता की बातें अपने न्यूनतम पायदान पे है। मैं माननीय सभापति महोदय, साथ ही आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि एनिहिलेशन जो बाबा साहब की उसको सरकारी पक्ष को भी ये समझना होगा कि जब तक समता और बंधुत्व हम स्थापित नहीं करेंगे तब तक बहुत मुश्किल होगी। इस देश में अलग अलग जातिगत उत्पीड़न के केसेस हैं, वैसे माहौल में एनिहिलेशन ऑफ कास्ट, इन दोनों का समराइज्ड लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाए। ये किसी भी प्रार्थना से मैं आपके माध्यम से आपसे अपेक्षित है मेरी बातें शोरगुल में मुझे फिर मौका दिया जाए।
Now, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.
धन्यवाद महोदय। आज मैं सदन का ध्यान एक ऐसे मैं सरकार से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो SIR के मुद्दे पे चर्चा के लिए
Nothing will go on record except Ajit Kumar. You sit in, no? Doctor. Next is Dr. Fauziya Khan. Dr. Fauziya Khan.
Sir, house is not in order. House is not in order, sir.
Fauziya Khan is not.
House is not in order.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak or not? You tell me. You speak.
I can't.
Why you are worried about them? You
cannot.
speak.
I cannot, sir.
Speaking, why you are interviewing?
Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Fauziya Khan, you address to me.
On electoral reform,
You address to
sir.
me.
We need a discussion on that immediately. Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
No.
We need that urgently.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir,
Otherwise, I am going to call the next person. No, I am not going to listen to you. I am not going to listen to you other than the subject.
Sir, kindly listen.
No. Dr. V. Sivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe
the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
Sir, this is the topic,
No, Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
No, I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Take the initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of the nation.
You want to speak,
in
you
the
speak
name
about
of
the subject.
SIR, sir.
I am giving you the last chance.
Wild animal.
I am giving you the last chance. If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going to.
I am telling wild animal attack is serious.
Vice, Sri Birendra Prasad Vice.
Sir, thank you very much. I am raised here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Kush, Tea community, they are demanding to grant it scheduled status Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to grant it for these six communities of Assam. In the year 1968, sorry ma'am, excuse me. In the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note by Gazette Note as a tribal community. Like Simon Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. So this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Kush and Tea community, their journey is very justified, genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request the government to grant the status of the sixth community of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Sutia and Tea community immediately should get the tribal status, and I believe government will grant it, government will bring the bill in the present session, and this
Please conclude.
this bill will pass and this will get it, sir. Thank you.
Now, honorable members, on behalf of this August House, I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Mr. Salwa Papu Silvi, Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on the visit to India as our honored guest. Parliamentary committee has come. You please sit on your. I am calling him. Let me complete this welcoming them. You ask them to sit, all of you. You please sit. I am going to call. No. A delegation has come. A delegation has come. I am going to read my. We are welcoming them. A delegation from Georgia has come. Let me complete. No. Let me complete this. Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on a visit to India as our honored guests. We have strong bilateral relations with Georgia. The visit of Georgia parliamentary delegation will further strengthen our bilateral relations. The parliamentary delegation arrived in Delhi from Georgia on Monday, the 1st December 2025. They are now seated in the special box. They are scheduled to meet, call on various dignitaries in Delhi. Besides Delhi, they will also visit Agra before their departure from India. We wish them a pleasant and fruitful stay in our country. Through them, we convey our greetings and best wishes to the members of the parliament, the government and the friendly people of Georgia. Now it is Sri Tiruchi Siva.
Point of. I have a point of.
No, there is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken up? No point of order can be taken up. No, you have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member.
What is it?
No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order.
Give the point of order.
You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of point of order? Let everybody go to their seat.
We have come
sit
to
there.
speak only.
Then
they are going. They are going, sir. They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing. Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody should go by the norms of the house.
By the rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is.
They have
there?
gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise you have to read in the...
Now house is in order, bro. Tell him. बैठ जाओ.
Mr. Chairman, all are in their respective.
No.
Sir, point of order.
Hello.
Point of order. Point of order,
Mr.
sir.
Tiwari, first of all, I let me come.
बैठ जाओ.
Yes. I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
You start.
Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir.
Sir, now they are disturbing.
Tell me the...
Now they are disturbing.
Sir, this side is in order, sir.
Okay, you tell me the rule or you want to speak on this?
Tell me the rule. He's saying, tell me the rule.
Mr. Chairman, this side is in order.
So,
Let me.
Yes, as I am coming to you later, please. You tell the point of order.
Rule 239, sir. When for the purposes of explanation, during discussion or for any other sufficient reason, any member has occasion to ask a question under the consideration of the council, he shall ask the question through the chairman. Sir, my simple question is, sir, we all gave 267 notice, sir. You dispensed off with it. You didn't even tell what are the reasons why you dispensed off, in what reason the notice.
The reason has been read out by me
sir.
in my answer itself, and I am rejecting
No,
it.
at least
I have told you
at least allow the
what are
LOP.
the reasons. There is
vote
no point of
चोरी
order.
पे
Allow the LOP.
There is no point
Allow
of
the
order.
LOP to
चोरी
speak.
पे चर्चा से क्यों भाग रहे हैं लोग?
Allow the LOP to speak.
सर वोट चोर सरकार चर्चा से क्यों भाग रही है?
Now, Ajit Kumar Bayan.
Respected